Hello, my name's Carl and welcome to the Strawbyte workshop. In small workshops, efficient storage is crucial, and in my case I have a lot of wood just lying around the workshop. So in this video we're going to tidy up the corner of the workshop that I keep my wood and build a mobile wood storage cart. So with the painting done, I start with a quarter sheet of 80mm plywood. So it might look like all these components are cut to size from a cutting list, but they're really not. I'm just using up scraps and odds and ends that I can find in my wood pile and trying to figure out how to make best use of them in the project. There's no complex joinery here, everything is just going to be glued and screwed. Quite handy that this sheet of MDF is the same width as the sheet of plywood I started with. No cutting. So these casters are far too small. I really failed to take into account how heavy the cart would be. So I come back later and replace them with bigger casters. These are from Axminster's. So to make the vertical storage bins, I start with an old kitchen door screwed to the front of the cart. One very happy man there. Then inside I use offcuts to create 3 bays. Okay, so this is quite heavy, but it's still easy to move around. I've got storage for flat sheets and for lengths of timber. I hope you can see that you don't actually have to start with a plan or a cutting list to achieve a project like this. I've just freestyled it with what I had, with the exception of the sheet of 80mm plywood at the beginning. I'm really pleased with the results, and if you're looking at this video looking to achieve something along those lines for yourself, or you've looked at others, I'll leave some links below to ones that I've found that I quite like. then I would suggest you just get straight out into the workshop and get going with what you have. If you're looking to find somewhere to store all your timber, I would suggest probably you have enough material to probably make a fairly decent start today. So get out into the workshop and get started. Anyway, that's all from me. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, cheerio.